Happy morning, everybody. The information age in which we live is entirely based on the physics of electromagnetic waves. All we are globally connected by cell phone, internet, and TV. All these gadgets use electromagnetic waves as a carrier for transmission of signal. Therefore, let us start the new chapter number 13, electromagnetic waves and communication system. It has marks 4 or 5. It is very important to study electromagnetic waves and its properties. Okay, therefore, you know that the life on the earth depends on the energy from the sun. Then energy from the sun is always in the form of electromagnetic waves. There are again some sources of electromagnetic waves such as light bulbs, heated engines of automobiles, then X-ray machines, then lightning flashes, radioactive materials, then different galaxies, Milky Way galaxies, all they produce the electromagnetic waves. Then there are 4 fundamental laws related with the electromagnetic waves. First law is Gauss law for electrostatic. Second law, Gauss law for magnetism. Third law, Faraday's law. Fourth law is Ampere's law. All these laws describe the behavior of electric field and magnetic field. Okay, and also gives the relationship between electric field and magnetic field. Therefore, as a result, there are the set of 4 equations for 4 laws. This is for first equation, this is second equation, Gauss laws for magnetism, this is third equation, Faraday's laws, and this is the fourth equation. Therefore, the set of 4 equations for these 4 laws is called as Maxwell equation. Maxwell equation. Okay, then in 1880, Hertz produced and dictated the existence of electromagnetic waves. He demonstrated their properties such as reflection, refraction, and interference. Then in 1895, an Indian scientist, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, produces electromagnetic waves. But his work remained confined to the laboratory only. Then in 1896, the scientist Marconi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work in wireless telegraphy, then telephony and broadcasting. Okay, therefore electromagnetic waves is very important for communications. Okay, then what is the electromagnetic waves? According to the scientist Maxwell, an oscillating charge produces the electromagnetic waves. Therefore, consider the oscillating charge with some definite frequency. Then it produces the oscillating electric field, which produces the oscillating magnetic field. Thus, varying oscillating electric field and oscillating magnetic field regenerate each other. Therefore, the electromagnetic waves, shortly it is called as a EM waves, are caused by the acceleration of charged particles consist of electric field E vector and magnetic field B vector vibrating sinusoidally. It is the function of sine, therefore it is vibrating sinusoidally at right angle to each other and to the direction of propagation is called electromagnetic waves. Therefore, simply electromagnetic waves consist of both the electric field and magnetic field. They are caused by the acceleration of charged particles. Both this electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, and it is also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of waves. Here we have drawn the diagram of EM waves propagating along Z axis. Okay, see this. This is the electric field vector, okay, which is shown by the white chalk, and yellow chalk shows the magnetic field. Okay, then electric field is in the direction of x-axis. Magnetic field is in the direction of y-axis. And what is the z-axis? Z-axis represent the direction of propagation of waves. Okay, therefore it is important for us what do you mean by electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are caused by the acceleration of charged particles and which consist of electric field and magnetic field vibrating sinusoidally because it is the function of sine, okay, at right angle to each other and to the direction of propagation of waves is called as electromagnetic waves. This is the all about the uses of electromagnetic waves. What do you mean by the electromagnetic waves? Which scientist first demonstrate the electromagnetic waves? Okay, then laws corresponding to the electromagnetic waves. Okay, therefore let us stop here.